Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve banned account on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve banned account on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can click on Facebook and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your data or your information about this app. So in the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Facebook, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.